I've inherited a team in the World Soccer League, the Hurricanes!
Typo's monkey business gets out of hand when he tampers with Jock's computer and accidentally invites an amateur team to play the Hurricanes in a very unusual match. Another game in the World Soccer League, and this one's full of charm and intrigue. The Tokyo Typhoons sure know how to play. Come on, Hurricanes, blow them away.
What does he think he's doing, the clumsy oaf? Oh, no.
That challenge was late and way too hard. Papillon's getting the yellow card.
Hey, that was no foul. I went for the ball.
That crazy Frenchman's off his head. He'll get sent off.
And it's an early bath for the Hurricane striker.
I want a serious talk with you, laddie, after the game.
Get ready, there's Papillon. Escorting Miss Hispanola's self. Not yet. Wait till we're close enough. Ready? Now!
Oh, no.
Don't worry, we'll get that picture. We go to Plan B.
Can't they leave us alone for 5 seconds? Just because you are a great football player and I won a beauty contest.
Calm yourself, Gloria. There is no way that swarm of shutterbugs can infest the Club Hispanola. Délicieux.
Gotcha! Zit! Papillon, you maniac! What have you done to my camera?
What are you complaining about, Ratso? You got your just desserts.
I can't believe my eyes. Papillon, the butterfly that stings like a bee. Papillon serves up camera flambé. Ooh la la! Papillon is burning mad.
This is terrible.
I'm glad you can see that.
They misspelled my name and that photograph. It's nothing like me.
Take it easy, Jock. Sure, it's bad press, but who even heard of it outside of Hispaniola?
It was picked up all over the world. It's probably in their blasted Antarctica Times.
No, Topper. You are making too much mess enough. Ah, Gloria. She stuns the breath away.
You've disgraced the club on and off the field.
You've blackened our reputation.
I think maybe I blackened the eye of a certain photographer named Ratso.
Are you daft? You don't get on the right side of the press by beating them up.
They pick on me because they know I am the Hurricane star player.
For your information, football is a team game.
Look, guys, I know how to smarten up our image. We invite a top club like AC Milan to play the Hurricanes for charity.
Aye, that's a brilliant idea, Amanda. We'll bring in tourists, raise money for a worthy cause.
Have a great game, and afterwards, I rearrange Ratso's face.
You'll do nothing of the sort. Now get out. I don't want to see your face for the rest of the day, in or out of the papers. Oh, Plato. Get that mangy beast off my desk. Ugh, look at the mess. Send a caretaker in here. Might as well have the whole place hosed down.
Did you see Topper? He was right with me, and when I look it around, he was varnished.
He'll turn up. Now let's get in some practice for that Milan match or we'll get shellacked. Come on, Papillon. The press is being allowed to attend training today. They're looking for some great shots.
Patience, mon ami. If Monsieur Ratso takes any photos today, I will look my best.
I'm warning you, Plato. If that simple-minded simian pulls one more stupid stunt, I'm sending him to the monkey house.
Do not worry, Jock. I will hawk him like a watch. You have my word as a gentleman's.
What idiot turned these sprinklers on? Do they not know we're training out there? Oh, give me a hand, will you? I have no time for this foolishness. I have to get that letter off to AC Milan.
Papillon plays dirty.
That's it. Now take your chimp home so I can get some work done.
Oh no! Topper, what have you done?
What did you say, lad?
I said that Topper, we go have fun.
Look at the time. I've only 5 minutes to get to the post office. Aye, a match with one of the top teams in the world. Give me that.
But I joke.
Away with you. Ugh, they really should do something about the taste of that glue.
I don't get it. Milan always have a huge support, and not all women. For that matter, where's the visiting team? This may make the funniest picture yet. Ill win for the Hurricanes.
Milan is late. If they don't show up soon, we're gonna need all this extra security. 'Cause our fans are gonna go ape. Oh, sorry, Topper.
Now, Amanda, don't be such a pessimist. Look on the bright side.
I am looking on the bright side. If I were a pessimist, I'd say they're not coming at all.
Oui.
I just saw the team bus pull in. You Hurricanes get on the pitch and I'll get the Milan boys. Where have you been? I hope you have your kit on because there's no time to lose.
And coming out now, we've spared no pains to bring you your heroes, the Hurricanes. Milan come out onto the field, and it looks like they've been slimming. They're looking trim, they're looking fit. 'Cause all the team are women?
Have I died and gone to heaven?
Mamma mia!
How could a thing like this happen?
Exactly what I say to myself. DC Milan, an amateur team, a woman's team invited to play the famous Hurricanes. Such an honor.
Steady. Exactly who invited you?
As if you do not know. I shall always keep this letter from the great Jacques Stone close to my heart.
It's gibberish. DC Milan. DC? What in blue blazes? Madam,
Please call me Sophia. It is inspiring that a man with apparently no education could achieve as much as you have.
But I didn't write this letter. It looks like a monkey typed it. Aye. Aye, a monkey named Topper!
Signori Stone, are you sick?
Yes, madam. Sick and tired of a lower primate making a chimp out of me. This is the last straw. Hello? Is this the zoo?
Whosoever this Milan team is, AC or DC, they have electrified this crowd. Even my bros, the Hurricanes, are distracted.
Napa!
Napa, man, he pulled his punch. Milano goalie just took his lunch. Our Dino man is on the spot, cause those Milano forwards sure look hot. Maria shoots, oh, but then she misses.
Après vous, chérie.
And Papillon practically blowing kisses. Goal! Goal to DC Milan!
What have I done? Ah.
Be glad for that soda, Papillon. No one's gonna pour champagne on you after you lose this one.
Amateur women's team beats Hurricanes? Not exactly the great headline I had in mind.
Ach, it was just a lucky fluke. I hope.
Mr. Stone, I'm here to take the chimp to the zoo.
Helmet charges in for the moment of truth, and Plato's making a wide run for him.
Topper!
Oh, Plato, man, if you're gonna run wide, and don't find yourself on the wrong side. Go!
No, no. This must be a bad dream. Somebody wake me up. Oh. No, I'm awake. But it's a nightmare all the same.
What a game! Too bad it's gonna finish the Hurricanes.
Come on now. There's a good little fella. Gotcha!
Topper! No!
Just need your signature here, sir.
Please, Senor Joe, send me to the zoo, not Topper.
The way you've been playing out there, don't think I'm not tempted. As for the rest of you, just thank heaven there's a half-time so this humiliation doesn't have to continue. Get down there.
Don't worry about me, Monsieur Jacques. From now on, my mind is strictly on business.
The prettier they come, the harder he falls.
Now look, lad. I know how you love Topper, but he's a wild beast. He doesn't belong among people.
Then why put him in zoo? The place is crawling with peoples.
Plato's got a point.
The point is, Topper's a catastrophe. Just look what he's done to us. In the zoo, he'll be with his own kind, and you can visit him anytime.
Right, Plato. It's not like Topper's going anywhere.
Huh? Where is that little furball? Stop that ape!
I never thought I'd see the day. Not only have we got amateurs on our pitch, but they're women.
If you ask me, they're pretty good.
I know they're good, but that's not the point. The Hurricanes are a pro team. If we don't start playing that way, they're going to beat us.
Pal, you see a chimp run by here? All right. Give me a drink then. Got root beer? Okay. How about a cola? Then give me what you got!
Get some more shots. That's the Hurricanes' mascot.
Professional. Remember that, and there won't be any more stupid pictures. Dino, stay on your line. Don't let your mind wander. It's too small to be out by itself. Napa, Start kicking harder or I'll do some kicking myself. And you, Papillon, stop worrying about how you look to their number 9 and start worrying about how you look to your fans. Because they're all laughing at you.
That Jock Stone, what a sap!
You are wrong. Signore Stone is a great coach and a great man. He gave my team a chance to shine.
You said Jock took one look at the letter and called the zoo to pick up the chimp. Well, don't you see? Jock didn't invite you. The ape did.
I do not believe you.
I know you're in there! Stop that ape!
All of you have to forget your opponents are women.
Even the one in the number 9 shirt?
Especially her. Remember, behind every successful man there's a woman. And she'll tackle you if you don't watch out. Now, are you ready to win?
Yes! Oh, yes.
Pardon, chérie.
This has got to be a first. Papillon ignoring a beautiful lady? And here comes Nappa. To deliver the Kappa! Goal! Goal to the Hurricanes!
All right, Hurricanes, blow 'em away!
Thank goodness.
Leto! Leto!
Oh, Plato! He's going to lose the game for us.
It's 'cause he's worried about Topper.
Just wait till I get you back to the zoo!
Signora Stone, please, I must know. They say our team being here is a mistake. That the chimp changed your letter?
Oh, well, that's ludicrous. Whatever made you think that?
Well, if the ape didn't mess up your letter, why are you packing him off to the zoo, huh?
Who says I am?
Nice doing business with you.
Hey, what's going on?
Oi, what are you doing with our mascot? Are you still hanging about?
But you told us to get rid of.
I don't have the slightest idea what you're talking about. Away with you.
Everywhere is KO? We are going to keep Topper?
Oui, mon ami. Now, let's play some football.
It has been an honor to be beaten by the best team in football, the Hurricanes. They have really put our club on the map, as you say. And I think the press owes the Hurricanes a big apology.
Thank you, Sophia. I couldn't have put it better myself.
Okay, whatever you say, Jock. You've given us enough photo ops today to last us a month.
Phew. I think our bad press problem is over.
Congratulations, chérie. You are an excellent striker. Perhaps you would let me show you some of the sights of Hispaniola. My car is outside. Just follow me. Zut!
Papillon!
Oh. Excusez-moi. Oh no! There is something I forget, yes?
Oh, Topper, I always fear that I never see you once more. Now promise to me you will obey everything Jock tells to you.
Blast. I'm parched. I can't find a thing to drink.
How about some water?
Anything. Give me anything.
There isn't any water.
Then give me what you've got.
Gotcha!
The DC Milan team taught the Hurricanes to respect opponents of either sex. And they reminded Jock that the word amateur is not an insult. It means literally one who plays for the love of the game.